Kimberly Turner from cookingwithkimberly.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make an apple cinnamon bubbly cocktail. Now this is for New Year's or any other special occasion. This is great for the autumn, the winter, even the spring when, you know, it's a little cold outside. So I've got my bubbly today. Now you could use champagne. I'm using actually something called Bodacious Bubbles, and this is a sparkling wine. So anything that's not from Champagne, France isn't actually champagne, but it might be done in the champagne style, like sparkling wine. So that's what we're doing today, and I'm using a little bit of Goldschlager. Goldschlager is a very special liqueur. It's made from cinnamon, and it has gold flecks in it. If you've never seen that, real gold flecks. That should be very pretty in the with the sparkling wine, and it's kind of tumbling all in there as well. We're gonna do a special little rim here, so I'm just gonna fill a small shallow dish with water and one with cinnamon and sugar. Combine about a teaspoon maybe of cinnamon with some sugar in a shallow dish and stir that through. It just helps things set up if you do this first. So dip the rim in the liquid and then get that on the rim, your sugar and cinnamon mixture. Nice amount. There you are. Now set that to the side. I'm also going to get myself an apple slice. So if you're doing these en masse, if you're creating a number of them for a special occasion, then this is super simple to just get things prepared quickly. So I'm using a red apple today simply because it is going to have a nice contrast in the glass, but you could use any kind of apple you like or have on hand. And core it. Now I'm dropping that in my glass now. I'm also going to add a cinnamon stick on top of that. So you kind of have layers of flavor here. Now, half an ounce of Goldschlager. Make sure you shake it up before you pour it so that you get a nice amount of gold flecks in there. Half an ounce in the glass. That's just gonna give some excitement in both the aesthetics and the flavor. And now, simply top up with your bubbly. You could even use a little bit of apple cider in this if you wanted to. And that's why they call it bubbly, because it's so bubbly. Look at how beautiful these cocktails are. That would be a nice surprise and something a little bit different. These are just gorgeous. I'm really impressed with how beautiful they are. Let's try it. Oh, that is absolutely divine. Delightful. The cinnamon is an awesome combination with the champagne, I have to say. Now that is a holiday cocktail. You're gonna love this. And that's how you make a golden apple cinnamon bubbly cocktail. You can do it too. Follow me on Twitter at Cooking with Kim, E with a capital E. Like the fan page at facebook.com/cookingwithkimberly. Check out my instagram.com/webchefofalltrades. You can find my shows online on youtube.com/cookingwithkimberly and come to my website at cookingwithkimberly.com. Interact with us and subscribe. Let us know what's going on in your culinary world, all right? Be a champion in your kitchen and eat deliciously. Bye.